Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I continue with the assembling of this TRX4 Sport in kit, and today's video will speak about the first steps in mounting the frame with the first optional that I've made, option part, that they are the fenders, the Traxxas fenders. These are very nice, very easy to mount, requires some differences between the standard mounting of these pieces of the suspension columns holder here, and very easy. I will give you a slideshow in which you can easily understand how to do and see how did I do. We will do about 2 or 3 videos about the chassis, because it is wonderful, top quality. Buy it, don't have any doubt, you have to buy a Traxxas car. If you want a good crawler, this is it. There are some weakness, but we will speak later. But they are very stupid and very little things, so it doesn't matter. I would like to speak with you about this thing, Hobby Wing AXE. We say axe in Italian, and this is wonderful. I know that have made the new engine with this part on top of the engine. It's very compact, This is 2300 kV. The new one with the AC with the motor is 1800. So if they have made this, perhaps it is right. This is a little bit powerful. The thing, I will do a video about this because it's very new. It's outstanding. The thing is that you can set the ESC from your phone. You don't need any setting cards, separate setting cards, and you have so many options. You have to, you can satisfy everything you want. So by now, let's start with the video, and I hope you enjoy. It is useful. Comments, like and subscribe, of course. Subscribe is very important, as comments, and like too, I think, because we have to check our work, and your like are very important. Subscribers, obviously, the more we are, the better it is. It's very simple, it's very easy. Today we mount this, and we keep on going with other components and components. Last video we have made the axles, front and rear, and the transfer box. We have fenders So we started with a little upgrade without mounting the dampers columns. This, and following the instructions. Screws are the same, no problem. And I've made this, and you will see in the following slideshow. Comments, like and subscribe, please. Enjoy the slideshow, and we see where we will arrive today with mounting this wonderful crawler. Traxxas is top quality. I am astonished from the precision of each piece, the quality of plastic. You can screw the screws, you can tight to the to the depth as maximum as you can, and it's wonderful, very good material. And I recommend you, while building the chassis, to tight very hardly all the screws in order not to have too much flexibility. It is quite flexible. It's not finished, but it's quite flexible. Not too much. Could be good. It could be also good, a little bit of flexibility. So, enjoy the slideshow. Mounting this hobby wing engine, little problem, very little problem. The holes are not perfect for the engine holes, so I had to enlarge the holes using this one a little bit, and it was good because mounting the pinion, there were no play between the pinion and the main gear, so I could take the engine a little bit on the left, and now I have the required play, and it works surely very good. Up to now, we are arrived here. We have the servo, we have the motor, receiver, antenna, chassis mounted with fenders, and we have made the two axles, rear, front, and 4 shocks. Shocks are identified front from rear by the color of the spring. This is white, it is front, if I don't remember wrong, and this is orange, and this is for rear. Now we have to mount all the pieces on the axles. Slideshow and keep on going. Comments, like and subscribe. For today we stop here. This is what I have made. The car is wonderful. Next step, this, a drive shaft, and body mounts, lot of things. I want to express my appreciation to the very high standard of Traxxas. Everything is very well designed, thinked, engineered. Battery holder is one of these. Very easy, and if you turn this, it stays higher for a bigger battery. Everything is very, very well realized. These are my wheels. I like it very much. And up to the next. By now, remember, please subscribe. It's free. The more you are, the more the channel can give you satisfaction. And by now, thumb up, like, subscribe, and bye-bye. Here is the end. Here is